Hi, good morning. It's Pressy. It's Thursday today and I'm off. And anyway, we're going to cover how to count from 1 to 10 in Ilocano for today. That would be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to count in Ilocano from 1 to 10, that would be 1, maysa, 2 is dua, 3, tallo, 4 is uppat, 5 is lima, 6 is innem, 7 is pito, 8 is walo, 9 is siam, and 10, sangapulo. So that's your 1 to 10 in Ilocano. Let's do a review. 1, maysa. 2, dua. 3, tallo. 4, uppat. 5, lima. 6, innem. 7, pito. 8, walo. Siam, that would be for 9. And for 10, sangapulo. Okay, practice counting. Bye-bye. Until next time.